Hello friends, how you all doing? Hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are fine. Okay, on this video I'm going to show you how to make your date syrup. In case you're somebody like me that likes something natural, this is for you. And if you also don't trust the honey in your area, you can do this and be sure of what you're eating. So you use this for your tea, for your coffee, for your pap, whichever way you want to use it for is all good. And first thing first, get your date, remove the seed. After removing the seed, you add water to it. Make sure that the water will cover it. Then you cover it, keep it overnight. And you bring it out, pour it into your bowl. See the way I'm using my wicks? I use my wicks to match it. You keep doing it like this until it becomes gooey. Now you can see the texture is now matched very well. Bring your pot and your sieve cloth. If you have a sieve bag, it's also good. Pour it into the sieve cloth. Arrange it. Then you start squeezing it. You keep doing it this way to get the syrup off it. Keep pressing it. Okay, you can see the quantity we have in the pot. Now you bring out the chaff, the date chaff. Please don't throw it away. You can use it to make a very good and healthy cookie. Then carry the syrup and put it on fire and start whisking it. Please don't leave this unattended because it will just foam up and pour on your gas. So keep on turning it. You leave it, you come back to it again. Don't go far because it keeps foaming up. One thing about this syrup is that the longer you cook it, the thicker it will become, and also the darker it will become. You can see what I'm saying is foaming up, so you keep turning it like this. Cook for like 45 minutes if you want it darker, but if you want it to be just okay, you make it 20 minutes, you're done. You can see I cooked this for 20 minutes and this is what I have. So bring out your bottles, please, not plastic bottle. Open it and pour the syrup inside the bottle. After pouring it, please don't cover it. Set it aside, allow it to cool down. If it cool down, it will become more thicker. So allow it to cool down, then you cover it. After covering it, put it in your fridge. Voila, it's good to use. You can use it for anything.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Bye.